What is filter function? Okay, inside Lambda there is a pre-built or inbuilt functions are there. So Lambda filter function is one of them. So Lambda filter function, it filter the least number of items which are present inside a list. Okay, so suppose there is a list, there is a number of items are present like a 2, 4, 6, 8, 7, 9, 10, 11. Among that list items, you if you want to filter that items according to your requirement, means I want even numbers from that list, so it will show you that even elements. So filter function helps you to filter from the particular list. Okay, so how it is possible? So there is the point, I will go through it. So first of all, I will create a one list. Li equal to, there is a list item 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then I go for the there is the statement called add, or there is a fill equal to list. It returns the in the list form. Then filter, within that filter you have to define your lambda x column. Then you have to write your filtration x modulus 2 not equal to 0. This is your lambda expression. Okay, this is your lambda expression. Okay, here comma, there is a list. Fine. Then you have to print that particular fill. Okay, now see what happened. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It returns that elements which are not equal, that is all the elements is divisible by 2 but not equal to 0. Okay, that those elements which are divisible by 2 but not equal to 0. If it is equal to 0, it calls as a even number. If it is not equal to 0, means it's called as a odd number. So here you have to see that inside that particular lambda expression I have defined that elements, each elements of a list as a x, and x modulus 2 means it divide all the elements and it takes the remainder. If that remainder is general is equal to the 0, then it's okay, that's a even number. But here I have written that x modulus 2 not equal to 0. Okay, that means you need odd numbers. Okay, so after that you print it. Okay, and it returns directly in the list. So you have to return inside the list constructor and it return you as the form of list. So here is the list as a constructor, here is the list as a constructor. You understand how filter function is going to work. So if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there, and also don't forget to join my WhatsApp group. Thank you.